Steps upside down. They both push forward on the sticks from that position. They climb all over it. Oh, man, look at them just cranking out there. Hanging on, hanging on, hanging on. Right about now, let's go. Runner kick. Right there, hammer and turn. Diving straight back down again. Spin rolls back in, trying to get out of the show line. And he's coming in from the right. They're extending out here. There's 200 miles an hour. There's 220. Oh, man. Wow. Now let's watch him out here in that right end zone. There's one to be flies out. There's show right. And he extends her show left. She hangs out there in the right end zone. And he goes vertical. Comes right out across the top. She's inverted. Hanging by her seatbelt shoulders. Now she cranks it around. She rolls back into the pneumatic area. Steps coming down there, going to the tree town.